How to fix Windows Update stuck at random percentage. Let's get started. First, restart Windows Update service. For that, search for services. Once it appears, launch it. Now here, you're gonna find the Fin option. Click anywhere in the window and press W key to jump to services starting with W. Find Windows Update. Double click on it, select the option Properties. Now, here towards this option Startup Type, click on that drop down and select Automatic. Click Start if the service is not running. Then click OK to save. Next, run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For that, close this and launch your Settings app. Navigate to the Option System. Head over to the option Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Let it complete the scan and fix any issues. Once the troubleshooter completes, go ahead and restart your computer. And that's it. After the restart, try updating Windows again. It should now complete successfully. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.